Each stalk is cut by hand, one by one.
Hundreds of stalks pile up within minutes.
The mill receives over 200 tons of bamboo every single day. A mountain of raw bamboo, waiting to be transformed. Machines strip away the tough outer bark first. A single stalk becomes thousands of tiny chips in seconds. Chips pour in non-stop, tons, stacking into mountains. Tons of chips are sealed inside massive cooking vessels. Cooked under intense heat and pressure for hours. The chips break down into raw fiber pulp. What was solid bamboo is now soft fiber pulp. Thousands of gallons of water rinse away impurities.
Screens filter out anything that isn't pure fiber.
Bleaching turns the raw brown pulp bright white. Refiners beat the fibers until they're perfectly soft.
Tanks store hundreds of tons of pulps of pulp, ready for papermaking.
Pulp is diluted to 99% water before forming begins. A perfectly even layer of fiber is laid across a moving screen. Water drains away. A fragile sheet begins to appear. This machine alone stretches over 100 meters long. Giant rollers press out most of the remaining water. Steam-heated cylinders dry the sheet in seconds. What was liquid pulp is now a continuous sheet of paper.
Calendar rollers press it smooth and glossy.
One reel alone holds over 20 kilometers of paper. Each finished roll weighs over 10 tons.
Hundreds of rolls, waiting for the next stage.
Slitters cut the giant roll into precise widths.
Thousands of identical sheets are cut every minute.
Stack after stack rises, ready for the next line. 500 sheets, stacked perfectly, every few seconds.
From here, the paper begins its journeys.
The machine pulls in sheet after sheet, non-stop.
Each sheet is folded into a notebook signature.
Thousands of colorful covers are printed every hour. Each cover is cut to a precise, identical size.
A glossy laminate seals in the color and protects the cover.
Wire stitches bind the pages together at the spine.
Hot glue fixes the cover firmly in place. Faint ruled lines are printed onto every page.
A final check ensures every page is aligned.
The final branding is checked for perfect print quality.